It's been a while since I've taken you back to that tank under the house project. It's been 5 months actually, and I know I haven't said anything about it. Haven't talked at all about it, but I've been working on it pretty steady. A quick recap is I decided to build a 1,500-gallon fish tank under the house to protect it from birds outside. So I started putting water in it, and it was leaking. It almost washed out a support pillar, which is usually a bad thing. I tried again, but it was still leaking. So I had to put in a temporary tank while I sorted out what the heck was going on. I've been experimenting with different adhesive, and I found that fire is my friend. I can get a good bond with that. And as I get closer to the truth, I'm realizing that sooner or later, this darn thing's gonna leak. And my wife's going to be very upset. So I decided the best idea is to move him outside and come back to this at some point later on, maybe never. So I picked up a second pole, and I think that's a good place to start the video. So here we go! that's about it for today. Get you about up to speed on where we're at here, and I'm so excited to share this with you. You're looking at about 2 years of research here, and I mean, it's a real system. You know, it's a real thing that's happening. Helicopter overhead. I don't know if that's picking up on the audio or not. Oh, it's not a helicopter. Anyways, yeah. I mean, so I'm gonna leave you with this shot of some fish, and you guys have a good day. I know I'm just yeah.